Easy installs with included flush mount bracket and begins to learn as soon as batteries power it up. 5-year battery life and discreet design keep it out of sight and out of mind when not on alert. External contact input available for external triggers. Works with most brands of Z-Wave home security hubs. Top reviews from the United States. Best sensor I have. I've had this sensor on my garage door for about 5 years. It has never once let me down. It always works and never loses connection. The battery life is amazing. I've only replaced the battery once in 5 years.